Well, welcome back to the channel. Ron, I got your tag hung up. Been feeding cows today. Didn't make a video on that. I'll probably have a few more, but they pretty repetitive. I'm gonna get back to work on this thing. Probably ain't gonna do much today on it, but I'm gonna try to get this bolt out. I sprayed her down with PB blasters before I went to feed cows, so I'm gonna see if it'll come out with vice grips first. I doubt it. There is a little nub sticking out. I think this thing's been broke off long enough. I don't think vice grips is, number one, I don't think vice grips is going to hold on it. Nope, let me try something else. See if I can spin it with a chisel. No, but I'm chiseling a piece off of it. Try a punch. And that's not going to work. I can try welding it out. If that don't work, grinding it smooth, drilling it out. Actually, what I did was got in too big of a rush. I think I had my welder too hot. But I got something to grab a hold of if it don't break off. I think it's fixing to break. Nope. Vice grips are moving. I've had good luck doing this before, and I've not had luck, so it's worth a try. And it broke off. Well, I am going to try one more time welding the nut onto it. I've turned my welder down. That was my mistake to begin with. Well, it's been a lot nicer day today. They said in the 40s, but I kind of got a little hot in the hoodie feeding cows, and it feels pretty good. These short sleeves on in the shop, no heat. Nope, it's gonna break off. Sure, I'm gonna get a lot of smart comments about that, but it is what it is. I'm not a welder, never claimed to be. So I guess let's get to drilling it out. That looks close to center. I don't know if you can see or not, but I've got it punched pretty well in center. I've got some ease outs somewheres. I can't find them. I'm gonna try to find them in the morning. If not, go get some. So right now, it's been a long day. I know that's not much on the video. I'm gonna resume tomorrow and get this thing moved back up. It's foggy in here. I had to crank it. And maybe get somebody to help me get that tank off. So I got a 1/4 inch drill, and I'm gonna try to drill this as straight as I can. So I got it drilled out. It was hardened there at the beginning where I'd been welding on it, but I sharpened a bit after a bit and went through 2 drills, batteries. So I'm gonna put an ease out in it and see if we can get the rest of it out. All right, let me get a wrench. It's going in there. I'm afraid it's gonna break. So I'm good enough now. I think I can run a tap through it and call that done. I'm gonna go ahead and take this grill off. Radiator looks well, there's some antifreeze leaking, so it's got some holes in it. I don't think it's leaking from the radiator, but I'm gonna clean all that out good before I paint. So let's get taking it off. Sound like it's been raining outside. Got a clip or something hanging. There we go. Clip spinning in there. There we go. I want to clean all that up in there. Quite a bit of dirt. So I guess next will be the side shield. Got one down there, seems like. Yeah, down at the bottom. Well, that's all I'm gonna show for right now. I had to back the tractor up to get to the welder. 25-foot cord's all I got on my welder. So I'm gonna get it pulled forward, get the 1066 pulled forward, and clean up my mess. No, I spent a lot of time on that boat. Just sometimes they're that way. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And tell me an easier way to get that bolt out. I'll run a tap through it Monday. But I'm not going to close out just yet. I got some packages yesterday. And I got a video of me opening them up and who they're from. So we'll see on the next one. Don't know when that's going to be. It's close to Christmas, so don't know what I'll get up between now and the new year. But we'll see you then. All right, so we got 2 packages in the mail today. This one's from here in Tennessee. Doug Averett. I think I pronounced your name right. Tag from Connecticut. Plate from a estate sale in Camden, Tennessee. Know where Camden is. And something else in here. Oh, a John Deere calendar. And I believe that's it. Thanks, Doug. And we got a package from Georgia here.
I don't think it's good.
And this is from Tony Walsh from Walsh Farms.
It's a box inside a box.
A box inside of a box.
Yeah.
And we have
Nothing.
apple jelly from Walsh Farms. And we have peach jam from Walsh Farms. And we have a card.
Another box.
Ain't nothing in that box.
Probably.
God bless your Christmas. May your hearts be filled with God's pure joy and gatherings with laughter. May your home be warm with His great love at Christmas long ever after. Then it's got a note here. Hello, Russ. Thank you for the participating in my giveaway. Even though you didn't win the grand prize, your snarky comments earned you a gift. From our family to yours, Merry Christmas. Tony, Jackie Walsh, Walsh Farms. Thanks, Tony and Jackie. Y'all and Doug have a Merry Christmas yourself. Thank you.